You have created an amazing UI, but while waiting for the data to be loaded on the screen, you use default loader. It doesn't look so good on the UI. So how to make the UI look good while we are loading some data on the screen? And here comes the shimmer effect, and we can use it to make our loading screen look more beautiful. So for that, we already have a UI created, and we will be implementing a shimmer effect on that UI. So let's get started, guys. So very first we will be working on our banner section. So we will be creating a shimmer effect for our banner section here. So for that we have to go to the banner.dart file where we have created our UI. So we can see that there is a container over here, and we have to just replicate that container as our banner shimmer effect. So for that we have to create a file banner-shimmer.dart where we will be defining a class named banner shimmer. This class will be responsible for showing the shimmer effect on the screen for banner section. In this class we will be using a shimmer package for showing the shimmer effect. So shimmer.from_colors actually takes the base color and highlight color. So base color is the actual color of the container, and highlight color is which makes the shiny effect on the container. So for base color we will be taking colors.black26, and for highlight color we will be taking white38. So for the child we will be using a container, and the container will be having the same width property which we have for the banner container. So we will be just copying the width property here, and we will pasting it to the shimmer container, and we will be giving the color to the container as black26 as it is a base color of the container. So now we have done with our shimmer effect for the banner section, and for placing it into the main UI we have to define a variable in the home page, that is his loading, which is a boolean value and its initial value is true. We will be using this his loading variable in our conditional statement where we will be checking if his loading is true, then we will be showing banner shimmer effect, or else we will be showing our banner directly. Now we have done with our banner shimmer effect. So next we will be working on our manga card shimmer effect. So for that we have to do the same process again, and this time we will be using the same layout which we have for manga card. So let's create a manga card shimmer.dart file where we will be creating a class named manga card shimmer, and we will be using the same thing which we used for banner shimmer. So here we will be creating a container, and this container will be similar to the manga card container. So we will be giving the same width property to it, and for that we can do one thing. We can just go to the manga card container and just copy the width and other properties we have here and just paste it over there. I don't think we need this decoration box property here, so we can just remove it, and instead of that we can directly use our child. In the child, we will be using our shimmer dot for color property, where we will be like assigning the same base color and highlight color we had for a banner shimmer effect. Okay, the child of the shimmer effect will be similar to the manga card container's child. So that is a row which have two expanded widgets. So we will be creating the same layout here. So we have created a basic shimmer effect for the manga card container. Let's place it into main UI and check it if it's work. And after placing the UI, we can see that actually it is working, but the card is not identical to the manga card container. So let's make it more detailed. For that, we have to give the container's actual shape of the elements present in the manga card container, that is our image and title, description, and our price of the manga. The manga card container section is actually a list of manga card containers. So for representing it, we will be using two manga card shimmer effect in a list view so that it looks identical to the UI. Now we can see the shimmer effects look so good. So we can just copy the code and just place it everywhere wherever we have the manga card container below. So now we have the complete layout of shimmer effect. So this is not actually how shimmer effect should be shown on the screen. It should be shown only when the data is loading, and once the data is loaded we have to show the actual UI. So for that we will be going to the top of our class and we will be like creating a function named load data. In this function we will be creating an intentional delay of around 4 seconds, something to show the data after 4 seconds. Till that 4 seconds we will be showing a shimmer effect on the screen. So yes, the shimmer effect has been implemented. So this is how you can make your loading screen look more beautiful than actual default loader you use for your screen. So thank you for watching the video.